I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your PS5 console language. Step 1. Navigate to your PlayStation 5 home screen and then click Settings. The Settings menu is displayed. Step 2. Click System in this menu. Step 3. Click to select Language in the menu on the left side of the screen. Language options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Click Console Language. A menu is displayed with all of the languages you can have your PS5 console operate in. Step 5. Click to choose the new system language you want your PlayStation 5 to use. Your PS5's console language will immediately be changed to your new selected language. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.